Welcome to the live stream. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C. And today, guys, Bitcoin hit $60,000. We're almost close to the previous all time high of $67,000. We're looking at the ETF pushing volumes on the daily, and that's exactly what we're going to look at today. And before we even get started with the market analysis, which I'll show you everything, I'll also show you some altcoins that I believe are going to blow off tops really soon because Bitcoin is going to wind off and then we will see a shift of capital into altcoins. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Hey, we have a gift, guys. I didn't tell you about that one. So XRP. The XRP team gave me a hat yesterday. I crashed into an XRP meetup in Denver, Colorado, and they noticed me. They say this is the guy that talks shit about XRP, and they tried to convince me that XRP is real. So they gave me food, drinks, and an XRP hat. And I had to pretend that XRP to the moon, of course. I'm not convinced otherwise still, but it is what it is. So let's get straight to the market. Shout out to the XRP team. They're really nice people otherwise. Only the coin is something that I doubt. So yeah, let's get into it. What is happening? Why is Bitcoin pumping? And what is the price prediction by the end of 2024? All right. What you're looking at here is a guy called Eric Barkunas. He is an analyst from Bloomberg. On the 26th of Feb, he came out and said, it's official, the new 9 Bitcoin ETFs have broken all-time volume record of $2.4 billion, just barely beating day one, but about double their recent day average. iBit went wild, accounting for 1.3 billion of it, breaking its record by 30%. So this is the chart that it was trying to show, basically showing the ETF volumes increasing. They exceeded the day one for the first time, but they doubled the everyday average because the everyday average is somewhere around, zero point 0.6 or $0.55 billion per day. And then he came out 2 hours ago today. Oh, 61,000 guys. Whoa, let's tune into the chart. I like the coin. Oh my gosh. While we're still discussing the Bitcoin, it just broke above another candle, $61,000 Bitcoin. Can you damn believe it, guys? And I want to take this moment to thank everybody and to commend you guys who have been through a lot, a bear market where things weren't going well, and people say that, but Bitcoin, people lost money with Bitcoin. It's crashing, right? And we said we are not selling. We held on to our position, and now we're being rewarded. That is why you always gotta hold. You always gotta hold it, guys. And there is more. There is altcoins are about to shoot up. There is NFTs are about to shoot up. I will show you guys very soon. And the halving is still on the way. So to show you how high we are right now and how close we are to the all-time high, this is what you got to look at. What was the highest moment of Bitcoin before? It was almost $70,000. Let's find that moment here. So this was it was 69,000. So this is the target point that we are looking at, right? This line right here was the previous all-time high for BTC. Let's make this kind of fat so that you guys are able to see that yellow line. Okay, so what we want is Bitcoin to move from where it's at now to this level. We want it to move from here to the all-time high. We only have 12% to go to 69,000. And I think this will happen pretty much sooner than we all expected. As you can see, the momentum, the volume of Bitcoin is so high. Now we are at $61,119. Guys, can you believe it? In other news, my girlfriend came back because Bitcoin is back also, right? She left when Bitcoin crashed to 20,000. I'm sure you saw that post on Twitter. But anyway, let's move on the last 2 hours, what this gentleman was saying. Whoa, iBit took in $520 million all by itself yesterday, biggest haul for a BTC ETF ever, and second most of any ETF yesterday. Only IVV took in more cash. It took up now $8 billion under management, top 5% amongst all ETFs. This means a good portion of that massive volume was new buying versus arbitrage or algo. So this is most of the new volume coming into the ETFs because everybody is coming hard for Bitcoin. They want to make as much money as possible. And 7 hours ago, the data from BitMEX research, it shows here that $576 million net inflow on 27th Feb, very strong day. BlackRock alone had $520 million inflow. Now, why am I showing you guys all this data? What does it mean? It's showing you that institutions now are the ones that are putting money on the line, buying Bitcoin aggressively. Before they could not do it, but now they can because of the ETF. So they are coming in hard and accumulating as much Bitcoin. It's basically the race to the top. Each and every institution want to be at the top of holding a lot of Bitcoin. So what they're doing, they're allocating 1% of their money into Bitcoin. And it starts with a small few, and then more and more and more and more institutions are going to adapt to the same kind of strategy. So you will see this keep on going. And these guys aren't stupid, because if we look at Bitcoin halving counter, they do know this is the countdown. 51 days from now, Bitcoin's emission rate will decrease by 50%. So we were having 6.25 Bitcoins coming into the ecosystem every 10 minutes, roughly, after each block was mined. And now that will come down. And guess what? It's putting the institutions under pressure to accumulate more Bitcoin. Now, what is the actual prediction for Bitcoin at this point? If you look at the hash rate, which is always almost front runs the Bitcoin price, I think that Bitcoin is going to $150,000 minimum in 2024. And if you think about it, to hit 100K from now on, we can actually have a look at this from a monthly chart. Okay, we are almost meeting the all-time high, which is, and you can see on the monthly, the Nitrous Bull has a bullish signal. The last time that happened was back here in 2021. And when that happened, we saw a breakout and the new all-time high. And then it happened again in October 2021. And then we basically reached the actual new all-time high again as well. Since then, the monthly chart has been bearish, even though with the Bitcoin accumulation of volume and price action, it has always been bearish until now. So for the first time in almost 2 years, the monthly chart for Bitcoin is bullish according to the Nitrous Bull indicator. Now, let's look at the projection for 100K case here. How long do we have to go? From here to reach $100,000 is basically 68%. This is all we need, guys. And if you think this is not going to happen, you're playing, man. We got Autumn, we got BlackRock, and we also got the Feds have to start cutting rates. The monetary policy is basically towards cutting. And then you also have the Bitcoin block halving, which is coming very soon. I mean, what more do I gotta show you? Oh, now, because I'm wearing a hat, gray with a hat, another coin that I'm obviously excited about, guys, is Dog with a Hat. Whiff. Check it out. 71 cents is going to be the first ever meme coin to hit $1. I told you guys before, I made a video about this. If you didn't listen, then that's your freaking problem. But this is Dog with Hat. It went in February on the 10th. It went bullish according to the Nitrous Bull. And I told you, I made a video about the meme coins, that Dog with a Hat is definitely the way to go. And so far now, guys, since the signal on Nitrous Bull, it's now up by 182%. Woo! And by the way, if you want to get this signal that I use to make the coin predictions, it's called the Nitrous Bull. You can get it from cryptouniversity.network. And if you go to Signals, you can buy it for $200. You only have to pay once, and it gives you signals on different kind of coins, all coins. All right. So, guys, it's insane. It's insane if you think about it. I'm wearing a hat. Doug with hat is also bullish. This is exactly why we like the token. Um, and for those of you guys who don't know the video that I posted yesterday, I'm trying to show you guys how to make money on the daily in crypto. I'm trying to show you how to create a crypto business that generates income for you every day, and that is by trading P2P. I am in America right now. It's so freaking hard to get crypto. I don't you guys have no idea. Almost all the channels, Binance, they all closed down, right? They have Binance US and then they got Coinbase, but otherwise it's extremely hard to get crypto. In Nigeria right now, the government is attacking Binance and USDT, which is only leaving room for one marketplace, P2P trading. And if you're somebody who want to start an online business, and you know that drop shipping doesn't work anymore, P2P is basically a hidden gem in plain sight. I've been doing it for years. It's how I made my first 100K ever. Yesterday I made a video step by step showing you guys how the game works of P2P. So make sure you watch that video and you get the No One's app. A link is in the description. You use Ninja265 as an invite code and create an account there and start trading. Never say I didn't tell you about it, because things are going to get out of control. Retail is looking at crypto right now. They can't help it. They want to get in. Your friends will start calling you, how do I buy Bitcoin? How do I buy Bitcoin? And all the apps are getting banned by the government. So you need to know how to trade P2P, especially right now, to make as much money as possible. So go check it out. This is the platform that you can trade, noones.com. You can take advantage of it. And now, before we close this live stream, I'm also going to get to I want to get to the meme coins or the art coins. What is next for art coins? How do you play the game? Okay, so the 340 agency here says, bro, I know someone offering USDT above market price. Is that legit? Of course, that's how P2P work. You buy below market price and you put it out on the marketplace above market price and you make money. That's basically it. So you have to be the one doing it. Don't just watch other people to do it. The app's name is Noones, Noones.com. You can use P2P to buy clothes. You can trade P2P with gift cards, bro. Like, you can trade crypto for anything. That's the beauty of P2P. You can exchange land for crypto. You can exchange whatever items you have. You just have to put an order online on Noones and tell people, hey, I'm accepting to buy or sell crypto for this asset: gold, silver, dollars, whatever. All right. So what is halving and what it means for us holding? So this is Vuka is asking that question. Yeah. So let me make that clear, because when other people hear about halving, sometimes they think that their Bitcoin in their wallet is going to halve in half. No, that's not what happens. The halving simply just means the emission rate, how Bitcoin come into supply. At every 10 minutes, new Bitcoins are basically a block on the Bitcoin blockchain is produced or mined, and then the miners receive Bitcoin for completing that job. But the amount of Bitcoin they received as a reward for completing the task is now going to go down by half, 50%, which means the supply of Bitcoin is going to become more scarce and scarce. So you know what scarcity does? If things are so rare, their value goes up. That's exactly what is happening to Bitcoin right now. All right. And if you want to trade, guys, go make sure you start using CoinW, because CoinW doesn't ask you for any KYC. You create an account quickly and you start trading immediately. And if you use my link in the description right now, they will give you $50 welcome bonus for free. So just make sure you do that. and you get your bonus. Coin W link is in the description below. And talking of altcoins, so I want to start to open a new trade. I will now buy some Dogecoin at 3x leverage because I mean, everybody knows right now that guys, the market is not going to stop. And Dogecoin, I made a video yesterday about it also to tell you guys, Dogecoin is the next thing, the next big thing to pump. It might take some time until Bitcoin has topped off. Altcoins will start moving and Dogecoin will become the play again. So I'm not selling my whiff except for the ones that I bought because I bought Dogecoin because, sorry, I sold some whiff today because I took a loan from the bank and then I used that money to invest in crypto and now I have to basically pay them back. So I sold some whiff after it doubled. I paid the bank back today and then I got the other 50% still on me as a profit. But otherwise, I have a big bag of whiff. I'm holding, I'm not selling it. And another meme coin that I'm adding to my portfolio is Dogecoin because everybody is sleeping on it. But if you look at, if Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, Dogecoin has to do the same. But for Dogecoin to hit a new all-time high, it has to go up 10 freaking X. Now, are you guys ready for a 10X? Now, on this stream right now, I will open a new position on Dogecoin and I'll show you guys how it works. Because I am a bull, I am bullish on Doge. Let's see how that goes. Okay. I'm just logging into my account, guys. And I am attending ETH Denver. I'm currently in the US. So if you guys are attending the event, be sure, let's meet up. I will be attending some of the cool parties and events here and the dev shops, the competitions that the developers are doing. This is where you find alpha. When you join the conferences, I met so many developers here, guys, building amazing projects. All right. Don't sleep on those. Don't sleep on those guys. Make sure you take advantage of it. Okay, let me show you guys how I'm doing with the trade. So this is CoinW. You can see here I logged in and they gave me a $10 bonus because I deposited a small amount. You can do the same. Link is in the description below. But essentially, I want to open a trade position here. No, actually, I'll do a futures trade. I will buy some. I want to open a Doge position, futures, and I shall open a Dogecoin. Doge. So first, before I get in, what I like to do, I like to look at the Nitrous Bull. What does it say about Dogecoin right now? What is the signal say? What does the signal say about the Doji? So according to the Nitrous, oh, did you see that dance? The Doge came in here and danced on TradingView. Everybody is doubting Dogecoin, but if you look at the chart, the volumes spiked over here, and the Nitrous Bull gave it a bullish signal right here on the, which date was this? On the 19th of Feb 2024. That is quite interesting if you ask me. So I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, where is the next resistance level? The next resistance level is at 0.1, basically 10 cents. So what I will do, I will open a long and I will wait it out. I'm just going to open a long and sit down on it. I don't care how long it takes because it's about to break out right now. So I'm on CoinW here and I will put I start with small leverage. I'll put it only at 3x for now. 3x. I will increase the leverage when it breaks out. That's how I play my game. And let's see, I need to add more money. It's gonna be, I'll start with a small amount first. I'll start with a 5K on it, and I'll keep on increasing the position. The more confirmation we get on Doge, especially when it gets more euphoric. So I will enter right now a Doge position. There we go. And my take profit is going to be, let's see, I'll put the take profit on Doge to be something ridiculously high. And you can see there is different levels here that we marked before. I think this was Deadly Crypto that put all the markings. So the last crash moment was 13. And if I extend this to months, oh my gosh, guys, it looks so good. Even the monthly chart on Doge is actually bullish. The good thing is that the support level is basically right within the same candle. So about 78 would be the worst case scenario. So I will wait until it hits 15 cents. I will put it at 0.15, right? Nothing too aggressive. We can always change these numbers. And as for, so put 0.94 as my stop loss. You never know. 0.094. It's nothing too aggressive, guys. Okay. So let's get it. Dogecoin, we in. I open a position on CoinW. So it only gave me okay, margin ratio. It only allowed me to put in 2K. So I'll have to do it again. Add to position because the maximum contract is 2,000. So the same 0.15 stop loss 0.094. I'll add it. I'll add more a little bit later. But yeah, we got the position open here. This is on CoinW. You can create your own account using the link in the description of my YouTube channel, or if you're watching on my Instagram, I have a link in bio on Twitter or Instagram where you can find a CoinW link on there for you guys to join in to make all these trades. All right. So speaking of altcoins, which altcoins am I extremely bullish on, and do I think are going to send higher? Let me show you guys the drill. Obviously, WIF is among those coins. And then the second one, my second favorite, is Ondo. So Ondo, a lot of guys are asking me, yo, when is Ondo going to pump hard and when is Ondo going to pump hard? Guys, we hit a new all-time high a couple of days ago. So we have to celebrate that. But what's more interesting about Ondo is that it's not even the dominant narrative right now. The dominant narrative has been AI, in which if you're in my alpha group, I gave you guys a list of tokens that I was buying, and we all up on those. We up big, like crazy. So Ondo is doing well and everything is good, but when the narrative for reward assets start, I think this is when things are going to get more interesting. So stay patient. I'm not panicking. The Nitrous Bull hasn't even registered a bullish signal on it on the daily. On the 4 hour, we have a bull signal here. It happened on the 19th of Feb, and we're still bullish right now. And we sort of, even though we're consolidating, but if you look at this trend, we're only trading high. What we're waiting for is to break out at 47 again and go higher. Very soon we will be seeing this coin at $1, then $3, then $10, because by the time Bitcoin breaks all-time high, the altcoins guys are going to go extremely hard. All right. So I gotta go right now, guys. It's early in the morning. I gotta go for a run. I'm super pumped. Bitcoin $61,000. My girlfriend is back because she left when Bitcoin crashed to 20,000. So I'm super excited about that. So life's good. Stay awesome. And do not forget to join the Telegram community. Link is in bio or in the description of this video. Don't forget to join the Discord group for us as well, so that we can discuss all the crypto activity that's happening right freaking now, guys. All right. All right. Do you have any questions before I close it down? Let's see. We have a lot of people, guys. Welcome to crypto. CoinW is not allowed somewhere. I don't know if I've never used it in the UK. Chico Mo says, Ribbit. Yeah, man. All my Bitcoin Frog boys, what's going on? I think we have an Ordinals meetup today in Denver. I hope you guys are going to be there if you're watching this right now. Bitcoin, building on Bitcoin is a new trend, and everybody is excited about it. All right. So, all I can tell you guys is that even though right now we're not pumping with ordinals, still keep it consistently pushing, because when the narrative pushes back into Bitcoin L2s and ordinals, everything is going to start sending again. So don't sleep on Ordi, don't sleep on Sat Still and all the other ordinals projects and BRC20s. P2P is not allowed in Canada? So you mean no one's is not working in Canada? Prosax Empire says, how can I join your alpha group? Okay, so you go to cryptouniversity.network. I will show you. Cryptouniversity.network. And when you go to Crypto University, you have alpha group in the menu right here. You click on alpha group, and then boom, you go to membership plans, you join the membership. It's definitely not free. It is expensive to be in there, but it's only for serious people that are looking for real opportunities and real community of pushers, crypto pushers. So that's basically how you join the alpha group. Or all the activities that I'm doing, I share them in there because, it is the alpha group, guys. My thoughts on Solana? I'm too scared to get into Solana right now. I mean, if it lowers a little bit, I might buy it, but I'm not. I'd rather find new opportunities that are not saturated. Solana is kind of already saturated. It's good if you're already in it, but if you're on the sideline like me, I don't think it's a wise move. You have to practice caution as well. So that's why I'm bullish on Ondo and WIF, because I'm early in those ones. So the odds of me losing are really, really small. Are you going to go into more detail about arbitrage trading? Yes. I have more videos. It's a series for arbitrage. So very soon, expect more videos to be uploaded talking about arbitrage and how you can make it work on an international level. Because the reason why I'm showing you P2P trading, I want you guys to do it internationally because it pays to do it like that. P2P stopped working today in Nigeria. I know what's going on. Find a way around it. I don't know. Try VPNs and stuff like that. You have to be proactive to find solutions. Telegram link is not in the description. Okay, go onto my Instagram. In the link in bio on my Instagram account, there is a link there to Telegram. You'll find it. Yo, guys, I will keep giving you guys more updates on everything crypto. Make sure you follow me across social media. I'm in Denver meeting a lot of developers and new projects. So, if you're in my alpha group, man, expect a lot of alpha and early opportunities, guys. All right. Otherwise, I'll see you guys later. Stay awesome. Stay pumping. To the moon, boy.